Hello and welcome to Vinay's Edu World. Today's topic is playing with numbers for grade 6. We will be discussing the topics like factors, multiples, prime numbers and composite numbers. Very simple, right? So let's get started. Factors and multiples go hand in hand. So let us understand both of them together, right? It's very easy. You know tables. We are in grade 6, so we must be knowing tables, isn't it? Tables is very important for this chapter. So if you have not learnt it, please make it a point to learn your tables till at least 10th. 1 to 10 tables you should know. Okay. Now if you have your pen and paper handy, let us just jot something down. You have a number 30. This is my number. So 30 is a product of some numbers, isn't it? 30 can be product of what? Any guesses? 30 can be the product of 30 into 1. Yes? Correct. 30 can be product of more numbers, isn't it? Yeah. 6 into 5. Correct. Then what? Even in 2's table 30 comes, right? What? 2 into 15. Okay. Does it come in 3's table? Yeah. 3 into 10. Any other table that you can think of? No. These are the tables in which 30 comes. Or in other ways, you can say these are the pairs which when multiplied gives you the number 30. Is that correct? So what can I say? 30 and 1 or 6 and 5, 2 and 15, 3 and 10. All these numbers are factors of 30. Is it clear? Let us take one more example of a small number. Which number we will take? Let us take 6. 6 is what? Can I say 2 into 3 is 6? That means in 2's table as well as in 3's table 6 comes. Right? Perfect. 6 into 1. Definitely, because 6 into 1 is 6. Right? So 6 has 4 factors. What are the factors? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Clear? Okay. What is another thing about factor? The number which is the factor, okay, now 2 is the factor, it will divide 6 in such a way that the remainder will be 0. Factor is a number which divides the given number completely. There is no remainder. Remainder is 0. That is a factor. Is that clear? So what can we say about a factor? For every number, 1 will definitely be the factor of that number. Right? Because 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 3 is 3. So for every number, 1 will be definitely part of the factors. Other than that, the number itself will also be a factor. So if anybody asks you to find the factor of a number, what can you say? 1 and the given number definitely are the factors. 2 factors are fixed. Clear? Okay. Then what is it? Every factor exactly divides the given number. The remainder will be 0. Is that correct? Right. Then what can we say? Factor, whatever factor you are getting is either less than or equal to the given number. Look at this example 6. Are we getting any factor which is greater than 6? Can you say 6 comes in 7's table? because that starts itself with 7 into 1 is 7, right? 6 can never come. So the factor of any number is less than or equal to the given number, right? Then what can you say? Can 6 have lot of factors? No. It has got a limited number of factors. You can say finite, isn't it? It is not infinite that it will go on and on and on. No, it will stop at a particular point. Even if it is 100, the last factor for 100 is 100. After that, it won't go, isn't it? So it's a fixed number. Factor is clear, right? Good. Okay. Now let's see what's a multiple. Multiple of 2. We have to find out the multiple of 2. What can be the multiple of 2? 2 ones are 2. Yes. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. All these numbers, whatever comes in 2's table, is a multiple of 2. Clear? Now let me just show you another example which you were watching for factors. Like you said, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, right? So if we understand this clearly, 6 is a multiple of what? 2 and 3, because 6 comes in 2's table as well as in 3's table. Clear? Is there any confusion? If there is confusion, let me clear it. For 6, the factors are 2 and 3. For 6, the factors are 2 and 3. And what? 6 is the multiple of 2 and 3. Right? This should be very, very easy for you to understand. The result is multiple, and whatever is giving you the multiple is the factor. Understood? So what is the main thing about multiple? Multiple is always greater or equal to the given number. Right? How do we know that? If I have to find the multiple of 7, what will be the first multiple? It will be 7. 7 into 1 is equal to 7. After that, what will be the multiple? 14, 21, 28, all these are greater than the number. Right? So multiple is either equal to or greater than the given number. Factor is less than or equal to. And another thing about multiple is there are infinite number of multiples. There is no limit. It will go on and on and on. Okay? Now these things are clear about factors and multiples. Let us see what is a perfect number. Let's take for example 6. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6, isn't it? So now if I add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, what will I get? I will get 12. 12 is the double of 6, isn't it? 12 is the double of 6. So that is why 6 is a perfect number. So what is a perfect number in terms of definition? Any number whose factors when added together gives you double of the number, it becomes a perfect number. Okay, so let us see if 10 is a perfect number. What are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 5 and 10. Right? Now 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 10 is 18. So is it double of 10? No. Right? So this is not a perfect number. Understood? That is what we have to understand about perfect number, factors and multiples. Now next one is prime numbers. What are prime numbers? It's very easy. Any number which has only two factors, that is, which is the minimum two factors that any number can have, 1 and the number itself. So any number which has only two factors, that is a prime number. So for example, let us take 2. What are the factors? 1 and 2, right? Does it come in any other table? No. 3. What are the factors? 1 and 3, no other table. Likewise 5, 7, think. 8 and 9 comes, 10 also comes, 11. Does it come any other table other than 1 and 11? No. So 11, then 13. Isn't it? Like that you have to think the number which has got only two factors, the number itself and number 1, is called as a prime number. Do you think 1 is a prime number? No. Why? Because 1 has only one factor, 1 into 1. It doesn't have any other factor, isn't it? So 1 is not a prime number. Okay. So what are composite numbers? Any number which is not a prime number is a composite number. Clear? So my little friends, if today's concepts are clear to you, please do like, share and subscribe this channel, and it would be really nice to get a feedback through the comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.